13 Best sex positions to get pregnant faster. If you're trying to conceive, you want to do all you can to expedite the process. Some people believe that a couple can get pregnant sooner if they try specific sex positions. We'll tell you some sex positions you can try to conceive a baby. There have been debates over the existence of sex positions for pregnancy. But as they haven't been proven scientifically, all you can do is hypothesize and try different positions for getting pregnant. Here are some sex positions you may like. 1. Missionary position. The missionary position is one of the most popular and common sex positions for getting pregnant. It can be said that most babies in the world are born because of this sex position. That's because the sperm is deposited closer to the cervix in the upper vagina, facilitating easy access to the uterine and cervical canal. The woman lies on her back while the man is on top. 2. Glowing triangle position. This sex position is similar to the missionary position but is slightly different. Although the woman lies on her back with the man on top, the man is on all fours. The woman's pelvis is raised, and her legs are wrapped around her partner. The glowing triangle position allows deeper penetration and increases the chances of conception. 3. Doggy style. The doggy position increases the chances of pregnancy as it involves deep penetration. It requires both partners to be on their fours. The man penetrates the woman from behind. This position opens up the cervix and makes it easy for the sperm to fertilize the egg. 4. Magic mountain position. The magic mountain position is a variant of the doggy style. In this, the man bends over the woman such that the woman's back is against his chest. For better balance and support, the woman can use cushions or pillows under her upper body. The magic mountain position allows faster and deeper movement of sperm and is effective for achieving an orgasm. 5. Anvil position. The anvil position is a variant of the classic missionary pose. In this position, the woman has to raise her legs above her head. It offers good chances of conceiving because of deep penetration. The raised legs help in stimulating the woman's G-spot as well. 6. Plow position. The plow position not only gives you a better chance of conceiving but also adds zing to your sex life. The woman is positioned like a wheelbarrow with her legs in the air. Gravity does its trick and pulls the sperm deeper into the cervix. 7. Spooning position. This is a romantic and effective position, in which the woman lies to her side and the man spoons her from behind. Spooning allows the woman's cervix to be angled at 90 degrees and provides better accessibility to the sperm. 8. Butterfly position. Infuse some excitement and adventure between the sheets by making love in this position. In the butterfly position, the woman lies on a table and her partner raises her hips while penetrating her. It's one of the best and most effective positions as it allows the sperm to stay in the woman's vagina for longer. 9. Union of the wolf. In this sex position, the woman stands with her back to her partner. He penetrates her from behind while holding her waist. The woman leans forward so that the sperm have better access to her cervix. 10. Sphinx position. This sphinx sex position requires the woman to lie on her tummy with one leg bent to the side and the other straight. The man straddles her from behind with his weight on his forearms. This is an excellent position for conception as it allows deep penetration. 11. Peg position. In this position, the woman is on top while the man lies on his back. The peg position not only helps the woman orgasm but also conceive. It's suitable for women who have heavier male partners. 12. Reverse cowgirl position. The reverse cowgirl is another position that has the woman on top. This is excellent for couples who want to have a baby. It involves the man lying on his back with the woman sitting on top of him, facing his feet. She can control the depth of penetration. 13. Splitting bamboo position. The splitting bamboo position is an extremely adventurous pose that not only provides great sexual satisfaction but also improves the chances of conception. This famous Kama Sutra pose requires the woman to raise one of her legs and place it against her partner's shoulder. The man straddles the woman. Tips apart from the above sexual positions, these tips will help you conceive faster. Consuming alcohol affects ovulation, the menstrual cycle and hormones, making conceiving difficult. Consuming too much of tea or coffee affects reproductive health and fiddles with conception. Refrain from smoking. Smoking interferes with the quality of the eggs and sperm and increases the chances of genetically defective embryos. Keep your body and mind healthy to improve your chances. Being either underweight or overweight on the BMI scale can affect your fertility. Can lying down after sex boost your chances of conceiving? As gravity affects lovemaking, lying down after sex will ensure the semen stays in and around your cervix. If you've been trying to conceive to no avail, try lying down for 10 minutes after intercourse with your hips raised to encourage the sperm to travel to the egg. There's no guarantee that doing this will make you pregnant, but trying doesn't hurt. However, don't try this if your doctor has advised a visit to the restroom immediately after lovemaking. Getting pregnant is one of the biggest joys every couple looks forward to. Although there's no guarantee, you can try different sex positions to increase your chances of conception. We recommend getting a complete health checkup before starting a family.